Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2015 on a 65 plate Smart Fortwo. This is the 1 litre petrol Passion model, 2 doors, finished in the lovely orange lava metallic, and it's covered just 13,000 miles. So have a good walk round of this little Smart, the 2-door Fortwo model, perfect for the towns and cities. They'll buzz you about with no problems at all. Looks fantastic in the lava orange and the contrast in black with the silver alloys. Car's been owned by the current lady since the January 2019, so 2.5 years or so. Just 13,000 miles, like I say. 4 services recorded in total, 3 of which from Smart themselves, and the 4th one which will be done by ourselves before the new owner collects. Doesn't take long to walk around one of these, just a few paces, but it does look a really cool little car. It's got a sort of vinyl roof to it as well, just for that little bit of added design. Passion on there, black wing mirrors. Nice level of specification, being the Passion model. Like I say, you get the alloy wheels, which really set it off, and then you've got the contrast in orange and black again throughout. So if you're a Wolves fan, this has got to be the car, surely. Nice and tidy. Bolsters are good, of course, as you'd expect at the mileage. So you do get remote central locking, electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. I will say before we go any further that the road tax is absolutely free on this car, so no road tax to pay at all. Up onto the steering wheel. Again, nice condition, and then you've got controls for the voice recognition, radio. You've got your cruise control, speed limiter, and your trip computer just up there. It does come with 2 remote keys, as you can see. I'll just step inside. So you've got a normal handbrake, 1 12-volt socket here, cup holder obviously, 5-speed manual gearbox, and then as we make our way forward, another 12-volt socket, a couple of cup holders, and then your air conditioning or climate control. There's your mileage, 13,763. Now obviously on these smart cars the engine is at the back. And we'll just start the car up. So there we go. Now it's got an aftermarket Alpine radio Bluetooth system built in. Nice and straightforward. Glove box. And then you've got all your fans and dash. Certainly a quirky little car, but they are really, really good for town driving. They turn on a sixpence. Obviously they'll fit into spaces that other cars won't. Just behind, I won't bring the seats forward, but you've got a little storage net behind. So they are clever with the space that they do have. And then round to the rear of the vehicle. So tailgate opens in 2 ways. You can just open this glass flap like so, if you just need to put things in over the top, and then to open the whole lot, just a little handle here and it drops down. And when it's like that, actually really good space, because the engine's underneath there, obviously with a metal cover over the top, so you actually get a really good sized boot, little parcel shelf as well. And then across this rear panel, this does just flip up, and in there you've got your handbooks and towing eye cover, and you can put all sorts of bits and bobs in there. And there we have it. Well, there's the registration if you need to do your checks. So there we go. Smart Fortwo Passion, 2015 on a 65, 13,000